Hello and welcome back to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is my kitchen. Well, today I got a really quick and easy recipe for you today. What we're going to be doing is looking at this plant-based burger, Beyond Burger. Now, I've been wanting to try this for, ever since they came out, but there was just no way I was going to pay the amount of money that they wanted, and I just couldn't bring myself to believe that a plant-based product could taste as good and juicy and succulent as a beautiful burger made fresh on the grill. Well, today we're going to try to do something a little simpler. Sometimes we don't have lots of time to start to grill, and this can be done on the stovetop. Now, they said that they've been looking for a reason to make a plant-based burger because, global warming, methane gases, and we just eat way too much fat in this country. So I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to give you my honest opinions. It says 35% less saturated fat, and it's only got 20 grams of protein, but it's all plant and it's not soy or gluten based, so gluten-free and soy-free. All right, guys, let's take it down to work and see how this Beyond Burger, is it going to be beyond my taste buds, or is it going to be beyond your liking? Only one way to find out. Let's give it a shot. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. All right, everybody. Well, it looks like these burgers actually look like burgers when they're cooked up. The first one, I didn't use any oil in the pan, and I found that it smoked a lot more. By adding the oil, it gives you a little more of the crunchiness on the outside of the burger and that soft juiciness that we come to love on the inside. What do you think, honey? It looks good, doesn't it?
Let's go find out.
All right, it's time for that big bite. Let's see how it tastes. Kind of tastes like a burger, right? It's got that nice crunchy exterior, a little bit dark on the outside. It's got a little bit of a aftertaste that I wasn't used to with regular ground beef. But the everything bagel that we use also gives you a little bit of garlic and some seasonings with the sesame seeds. The tomato is really juicy, fresh, and the lettuce holds everything together. What can I say? If you're a vegetarian and you want to try something that's like meat but it's not, or if you're a vegan and you miss ground beef, definitely give this a try. What do you think, honey?
Sounds like a plan.
All right. Thanks for coming by, everybody. Make sure to stop again soon. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to hit that like button if you do. And don't forget to subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing but helps our channel out a lot. And we'd also like to thank each and every one of you who have been sharing our videos on your social media platforms. It really does drive traffic to our channel and has helped us a lot. Thank you so much.